Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix if you are having this type of problem, verify your email address on your Apple ID. So if you are having this type of problem on your Apple ID that verify your email address, then in this video I will show you how you can fix this type of problem if you are having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So in order to fix this problem, you will need to tap on verify your email address. Then here it's asking me to send code. So a code will be sent to this Gmail account. Then after that, here you will have to tap on send code. Then the 6-digit verification code have been sent to this Gmail account. You will have to copy that code and you will need to enter that code here. So I'm going to copy that code and here I will have to enter that code. So here I'm going to enter that code. Then here wait for a few moments. So after that, here again wait for some seconds. So here you can see that now the problem has been fixed and now you can fix this problem. So this is a way through which you can fix this type of problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.